Are you worried because your deceased parent did not leave a will? Are you wondering if not having a will should be a cause for concern?
So guys, stick around because we're about to dive deep into this topic and ease your worries. Welcome to Legal Guide Philippines, where we simplify the law to help you make better choices. I'm Attorney Ramon Ramirez, and I'm with my partner,
Attorney Erwin Sagala. So today, we're talking about what to do if your deceased parent did not leave a will. Okay, so a lot of people are worried about this, Attorney Ramon. Hala, hindi nakapag-iwan ng last will and testament.
Ano na?
Oo. Mapupunta ba sa iba yung lupain namin, di ba? Or yung yung ari-arian.
Paano natin malalaman ang hatian natin?
Oo, what is supposed to happen? Okay, so I wanted to clear the air and say that no, hindi po kayo nasa peligro. You are okay. Kasi the civil code itself, the law provided for instances wherein walang will po yung namatay. In other words, having a will is optional, diba? To a certain extent,
Yes.
diba? And even if you don't have a will, you're probably okay. Why? Another set of rules would come into play, and it's what we call intestate succession rule. So intestate means a person passes without leaving a will.
Intestate. So,
Oo.
walang will.
Walang will.
Yun,
Okay. So what's gonna happen kung sakaling walang will? From a legal perspective, the will is supposed to instruct you kung paano yung
Hatian.
distribution. Kanino mapupunta to, kanino mapupunta to. In the absence of such instructions, what will kick in? It's the civil code. Okay, so the civil code already has predetermined directions on how to distribute it.
Yan.
Okay, so it says what portion is supposed to go to this person, and it covers basically all situations, Attorney Ramon, regardless of ilan yung anak, ilan yung asawa. Hindi.
Iba yun, ah.
Oo. Ilan yung legitimate, ilan yung illegitimate. There are
Maraming scenarios na
yes.
pwede. And kino-cover siya ng civil code.
Yes, and the civil code is expansive enough to cover all such scenarios. So don't worry, there's a legal framework in place to handle the distribution of your parents' estate no matter what. Okay? So I hope dun pa lang medyo natanggal na yung worries. Okay? So what happens kung sakaling may will? Magkukwento lang tayo a little bit, Attorney Ramon, what happens under the law. If there's a will, there's an extra step that's needed. You have to undergo probate in court. Okay? So yung probate, basically you go before a judge and the judge will rule okay yung will and then okay din yung yung distribution under the will. It's not against any law kasi mind you, there are certain restrictions when it comes to distribution. Diba? Kahit na there's a will, it still has to conform with what the civil code states. Okay? So the judge will give his or her okay to the will, and then the facilitation of the distribution will be done, and that's probate. Okay? Ngayon, kung sakaling walang will, what would happen is it's gonna be an intestate proceeding.
Yes.
What that means is you don't need to go to court. You can actually settle the estate amongst the heirs.
Possibly.
Possibly. So, Attorney Ramon, do you mind giving a very quick
So yun, no? So sabi ni Attorney Erwin nga, no, if there's a will, you go to court kasi you undergo probate proceedings, no? But pag intestate succession, meaning walang will, you can either settle it extrajudicially or outside of court, or judicially, if maraming issues, hindi nagkakaintindihan ng mga heirs or whatnot, kailangan nyo yung court to be the referee of the process, then you can also settle it judicially as well.
So, Attorney Ramon, basically, pwedeng i-invoke pa rin yung assistance ng court kung sakaling hindi nagkakaintindihan.
And that's when you go through judicial settlement.
Now, the final point I want to make is, even if there's no will, di ba, you aren't done for. It's okay. There are processes in place. And if you need help understanding these processes, I think legal assistance would be of value to your family.
Yes.
Okay? Dealing with the estate of a deceased parent can be emotionally challenging and legally complex in certain cases. It's advisable to seek legal assistance from a qualified attorney or legal team who specializes in estate settlement.
True.
Okay? The experience and knowledge of the legal team can guide you through the whole process, explain your rights as an heir, and ensure that everything is handled according to Philippine law. So it will be invaluable for certain cases.
So guys, if your deceased parent hindi nag-iwan ng will, don't panic. there is a legal process in place to handle the distribution of their estate, which is known as intestate succession. Guys, remember, seeking legal advice and assistance can help you navigate this process smoothly and ensure that your parents' wishes are more or less respected.
And in fact, Attorney Ramon, we have an additional resource available.
Mm.
If you want to get a crash course on
Mhm.
estate settlement, basically you don't have a lot of time to do research,
Mhm.
but you need to understand how it works so that you can get it started.
Mhm.
We have recorded an estate settlement workshop. It's a 60-minute crash course into how estate settlement works and what you need to know to get the process started.
Yeah, and
If you want to enroll, click the link in the description. That will take you to the enrollment page.
so wasn't that simple?
Now, go make better choices.